Right, transgender ex-Labour MSP candidate gets upset.
This ruling makes it clear that sex is binary and that sex is immutable.
But the judge was very clear that it doesn't affect toilets or changing rooms.
And just to let you know, that is a fella.
That's not how the group for Women Scotland are seeing it. They're saying that sex is real. Women can now feel safe that services and spaces designated for women are for women. And we're grateful to the court for this ruling. And the ruling is that woman means biological sex, the sex that you were observed to have at birth.
So are you saying that I can't participate in public life?
I'm not saying anything at all. I'm asking you what you think this means from what the Supreme Court.
Saying that she can't commit in public life. What is it? What is up with this man? She can still whatever you want to call her. And the problem is with she is you wouldn't call them that if you see them. You'd call them by the name they use. Like if they come up to me and said, "My name's Sally," you wouldn't go she. You go, "All right, Sally." If a man's called Sally, I'll still call him Sally.
Court has said today.
I think it makes no difference to how trans people will go about their day-to-day lives.
Do you think does it bring further clarity though over whether trans women should be in women's prisons or have access to refuges?
So it does, but can I ask you a question?
Trans women should not be allowed in women's refuges. Trans women should not be allowed in bathrooms or showers.
Would you think I should use women's toilets?
It isn't up to me to decide that.
No, you're a man.
The law and it isn't up to me to decide that.
If that's what you're implying that I shouldn't, then that would mean I don't have any ability to be in public life at all.
Talking out of rubbish. Use disabled toilets.
I can't go to work because I can't go to work because I can't. You're saying I can't use the loo while I'm at work.
But the judge went very, very early on in the ruling, did say that transgender people still have legal protection from discrimination.
That's why I'm saying it won't make any difference on day-to-day life.
Then you are not concerned?
I'm not that concerned, no.
Okay. Heather Herbert.
It feels like we're heading towards Trump's America.
Well, you've said that, but you've said that a couple of times, but then have said that you think that this is going to be discriminatory, but have then said you don't think it's going to make any difference.
It feels like we're heading towards Trump's America. I don't think this particular ruling will.
What, you mean common sense? That is the Trump's America. Women are women, men are men. A man should not be able to get in a boxing ring and beat the crap out of a woman because he says she's a woman. This is logical. People need to stop thinking that it's not. A man is a man, a woman is a woman. Get over it.